Welcome back everyone to another episode of Jake's Speed Shop. Today we're going to work on getting some of this front end all together, trying to get the radiator secured, both of the fenders on. I was missing a bunch of the stuff to get this all assembled, but last weekend I had someone call me and inform me that they knew where a totaled out 68 was. Went and took a look at it, purchased it, and it come with a bunch of the parts I need. The truck looks something sort of like this. And it come, most of the parts on the driver's side were fine, and most of the grill is fine. Got a little bit of damage, but I was able to get headlight bucket, the trim, the support for the grill, hood latch, both of the supports for the radiator, and most of the grill is fine. This side saw a little bit of damage up here and some down here in this headlight bucket, but I think I can repair all that, get it back to where I needed. So let's go ahead and get the fenders on and cue the time lapse. Okay, now we have the fenders bolted on, down inside of there, down inside of there. Got to get the brackets to install here and install here. I have those on that truck as well. Got the radiator brackets bolted on. This hose here is a little short, it won't work, so I'm going to have to come up with something for that. But the lower radiator hose still does fit, so that's good. Now the next goal is to try and get this grill usable. Need to fold out this corner, remove this section I had to sawzall off, straighten out this side down here, and then we should be able to get her to bolt up. So let's give it a try. Well, here she is. Got her installed. I need to put some bolts down here and then figure out a way to try and get this a little bit straighter. I'm not much of a bodywork guy, but I have some ideas. I think I can figure it out. So overall, it doesn't look too terrible, being that that side of it was pretty destroyed. I think it's usable. Just have to put in the bracket back here and the hood latch to hold all that in place, and the front end should be done minus bumper and headlights wiring. So we're gonna end this video off there. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Well, I couldn't just end this video and go to bed thinking I left this thing incomplete, so I went ahead and installed some bolts down here, and then come over here. I got it fairly decent. Once I put a headlight bucket in there, it'll cover up most of it. What I ended up doing was getting a bolt that's longer than normal and using that to kind of pull it in, and as I pulled it in, used some vice grip to straighten it out, and then ended up hitting it with a rubber mallet to get most of it out of there. Like I said, once I put the headlight bucket in here, most of that will be gone and you won't notice that. So, and then this up here doesn't look too bad either. Being what the truck is, just a good play toy, I think it looks all right. So now I'll let y'all go.